Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be learning how to draft a long sleeve pattern. If this is something you're interested in, please watch this video to the end and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified each time I post a new video. From the top of the pattern paper, come down by 1 inch. That is our border line, and all our vertical measurements will be taken from this line. Starting from the border line, you're going to measure and mark the sleeve cap height, and the formula for the sleeve cap height is bust circumference divided by 12 plus 1 inch. The next measurement is the elbow length. Starting from the border line again, you measure and mark out the elbow length. Then go ahead and also mark out the long sleeve length, starting from the border line, like so. If you've gotten to this point in this video, please help me touch that subscribe button below, please. Just touch it a little, thank you. I'll go ahead and label the lines for better understanding. Now this is the sleeve cap height, and this is the elbow length or elbow line. Then this is our long sleeve length. All the horizontal measurements will be starting from the center of the sleeve. Now on the sleeve cap height line, you're going to measure and mark your bust circumference divided by 6 plus 1.5. Then connect this mark to the top of the sleeve cap height like so. On the elbow line, starting from the center of the sleeve, you're going to measure and mark your round elbow measurement divided by 2. Then on the sleeve length line, you're going to measure and mark your round sleeve divided by 2. Carefully connect all the points using your straight ruler, but for a slim person, you should use your curve ruler for this. I'm going to bring in my curve ruler to blend this point very well. The next thing is to divide this line into 4 and place a mark on each point. I'll first of all divide into 2, then I'll go ahead and divide into 2 again, like so. Just watch the way I'm doing it. Now you have to watch carefully. At this mark, the first mark inside, you will go up by 0.5 inch, and at this other mark before the end of the sleeve, you will come down by 0.5 inch. When you look at that sleeve slope, it would guide you. This one is up, that's why we are going up by 0.5, and the other one went down, that's why we are coming down by 0.5. Now remove every distraction and watch how I'm going to connect the lines. Just watch carefully. I use the straight ruler first to connect to that point. Then I'm going to use my curve ruler to connect to the line at the center. Then I will move my curve ruler the other way. Just watch carefully. I'll go ahead and blend that area very well. So this is our long sleeve pattern. Is as simple as ABC. I'll just add 1-inch allowance to all the sides of the sleeve and connect to the sleeve length. Usually you're not supposed to add this allowance on the pattern paper. You're supposed to do it while you're cutting on your fabric. So if you're making an Ankara sleeve, I think you should add about 1.5 inches. If you're making an Ankara sleeve with lining, you're going to add about 1.5 inches. And also you add to the length of the sleeve, to the hem of the sleeve. Okay, so we have come to the end of today's tutorial. We have come to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and comment and share. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.